In today's video, I would like to compare ATAS and TradingView because I used personally both of them for quite a long period of time. And a lot of my students ask in what case better to use which one. That's why let's discuss. TradingView. What's the most positive side of TradingView? First, it is super easy and super fast to work at charts. At any moment, you can open chart, analyze it, switch between different time frames, build some chart formation, build key zone, all of this stuff. Plus, on TradingView, you have basic order flow, such as volume profile, which quite accurate, honestly, and VWAP. Honestly, for some people, that's enough to use. That's really the most important indicators to use. That's why about TradingView, it will be 100% enough if your strategy does not need order flow such as a footprint and all other stuff. Honestly, super accurate order flow you need when you do scalping. Because in scalping, yes, you can see some local absorption. I will show to you within a few seconds some example. But when you do swing trades, that insane accuracy, you don't need it. In what cases you will need ATAS? I would like to show you an example of a few trades. I prepared you 2 trades where I made 983 USD and where I made 250. Just by this practical example, you will understand why you need ATAS. Here on ATAS, I took long, and there were several reasons why I took this long, because there was this beautiful delta absorption. Plus, I saw significant limit orders in a book map and significant delta absorption against this powerful uptrend. And what had happened after that, you can see price started rising. Limit order, they moved the limit order higher. After that, I moved my stop loss into break-even area, because you can see here limit order they moved, and within few minutes what they did, you can see price hit other significant limit orders, and that was exactly a moment when I closed the trade. That's example for you how insanely accurate order flow can help you take insanely accurate trades. Yes, in these cases you need to use ATAS. Let me show to you how footprint looks in ATAS and in TradingView, and you will understand. Before, remind to you that you can get all of these templates that I use on ATAS and TradingView, plus a manual about my strategy on crypto and indexes entirely for free. Simply follow me on my public Telegram, link is in description. After that, I automatically will send them to you. For you, it costs nothing. Do it right now. That's example for you how cluster chart looks in ATAS. It's just beautiful. It's work of art. You can do quite a lot of settings with clusters. You can see delta, bid, ask. Plus, you can set up alerts on each cluster. For example, if in this cluster there would be significant volume, I can get alert. Plus, in ATAS, you can see you have also a heat map. It is when a significant limit order appears, I can see how significant limit order stay in a chart. Plus, you can see big trades. I can see how big trades, this indicator, big trades. Big trades also could be in some cases indication of a trap or breakout. Plus, beautiful volume profile, insanely accurate volume profile. You won't have this stuff on TradingView, but once more, if you don't do scalping, you don't need it. If you do scalping, you definitely need it. Additional positive side of ATAS is that you can get order flow data on different angle. You can analyze VWAP. You can see volume profile based on data. You can see a volume profile based on volume. You can analyze the heat map, book map. You can see significant order. You can see the tape. Like, all what you need to do to work with order flow. Main problem on TradingView is that order flow here is limited. On order flow, you have only next stuff. It is a volume profile, but volume profile is good when you do swing trading. For scalping, it's not enough. And VWAP. VWAP also quite accurate, and honestly, I love to use Anki VWAP on a crypto swing trades. About other indicators such as the TPO, as you can see. Honestly, I hate to use it. I hate TPO on TradingView because compare TPO to what you get in ATAS. Have a look how here TPO looks like. It just work of art, imbalance, single prints, all other stuff you can get here. POFC, like here it's way better. Plus, you can use together TPO and volume profile. That's why for me it is definitely in ATAS better. And second, it is volume footprint. Volume footprint. Honestly, my friends, it's horrible because it's not beautiful. It's so not user friendly. I don't know how people can use a footprint here, because in ATAS you can automatically set up even a heat map. You can see that I automatically see the biggest volume trades on each coin, and I don't need to read all the small numbers to understand where biggest volume traded. As you can see, really, by analyzing few seconds, I can see that the biggest volume traded here, for example, that stops the price, and I understand that at this moment that volume could play out as a key resistance. That's why honestly ATAS way better in that. Like here, you can see significant volume played out as a key support price. You can see retested and significant rise started from it. It's very easy visually to use volume in ATAS. That's why my short summary for you: TradingView best for working with chart. If your strategy chart based, you can work with TradingView, my apology, beautiful. If your strategy based on volume plus you do scalping sometimes, you definitely need ATAS. Once more, I prepared for you all templates and my free PDF about my strategy. Just follow me on Telegram, you will get it automatically. And here a video lesson about my strategies that I use on crypto that helps me make money on daily basis. Watch it right now.